Good afternoon. Did I scare you?
Yeah.
Some would say hell.
Couldn't have. That's where this place is.
It's May 26th.
I don't even know anymore.
Really? Tomorrow's my birthday.
Happy early birthday.
He didn't even know. So yeah, it's May 26th. I have been continuing to clean and get ready for a small party on the 30th with some friends to celebrate both of our birthdays, 50 and 55. I'm a cougar. He's the one that's 50. I'm the one that's 55.
Wouldn't be able to tell.
Oh, yes, you certainly can. And he has been working very, very hard on all of this. Why don't you walk me through some of it?
It's not as. Yeah. Wish I was working harder than what I have been. It's just been tearing down and rebuilding this thing because I'm trying to make everything, tight. And, yeah, just making sure that these angles are right. I finally got this support together.
And the reason why it's been so difficult is the pipe back there.
Yep. It's at an angle, so really it needs to be like a 6-inch deep wall, and I'm just not going to do it. I'm being
Stubborn?
I'm being stubborn, and so I'm just saying I'm not building a 6-inch wide wall. So
In
I've
a
got
trailer that's so tiny anyway.
and it just, yeah, I'm trying to maximize my space. So I'm forcing things that don't want to be forced.
But it's going to be amazing when you're done with it.
Yeah. So got the angles and the clearance for the door here. I've actually tapered this wall. This is probably about a 1.5 to 2-inch wall here, and it's 3-inch wall in the back. So it's kind of angled this way, and then this is actually angled. The whole wall is angled at probably 5 degrees or so. It's not much, but it adds up. So we're going to get an extra 2 inches of space out here off the cabinets. The cabinet will be a little oblong or angled on this side. But anyway, I think it captures everything. We'll have electric running on this side.
Yeah, we were talking about that earlier. Have it into the bathroom so we can have a space heater to warm the bathroom, or razors or curling irons or whatever.
Yeah.
And then on the other side we'll need electric coming
Other
into
side,
the kitchen.
We'll have electric coming into the kitchen here. The countertop is going to be right about there. And they're going to be 21.5, almost 22-inch deep countertops. So we have a little bit more floor space. And then the cabinets start right here, and they're 13 to 14 inches tall, and I forget how deep they're going to be. I'll figure that out later.
Match it up to the dirt mark up there.
Yeah,
That's
well,
for the
The
microwave.
microwave will stick out a little bit further, but
And
this
then
will go back a little bit.
Here.
I'm going to try to make it all the same if I can, and see what I can do with the microwave. But anyway, yeah, just kind of getting things to where
They're solid.
These are all 1x2s, and they're all flimsy and.
But once
silly.
they're all together, they're very strong.
Yeah.
And you've brought your electric panel
Yeah.
in. We got a new electric panel.
Yeah, so the old one was not compatible with lithium batteries, so it had a completely different charging system, and it just couldn't handle the load. Have a lot more legs that we can run on the 12 volt and the 110 side, so we have options.
Yay! We like options.
And then most of the electric is going to be all in this area, and then I've got access to run underneath to the front, and then this one runs across and comes up over here by the fridge, so we can run our 12 and our 110 for plugs outside, for the lights on this side, for the fridge. We might have charging and electric on the top bunk. We might do one on the bottom bunk too.
Nice.
Just putting a few extra
Touches in. I like
keep
that.
laptops charged, or cell phones,
Or whatever.
extra lighting. I don't know.
Yep. That's
So
fantastic.
that's kind of, yeah. The rest of the counters are going to
Let me.
come out to here. I have to chop out and redo this. This is all ABS plastic. It's not PVC, so I've got to find out where I can get more ABS. Probably just off of Amazon. Yeah, all this has to change because it can't stick out past our.
Pretty exciting. You might have noticed the mess back here. I moved all of the cushions in here since we're going to be working on a next left project. I wanted to get as much space as possible. I've got a set up with a gilding station in our library right now, and we can actually get into some of the drawers of materials now because I moved those out here, and they should be fine. The campers dried in now; they're not going to get wet, and it's a lot, isn't it, baby?
It's too much. We're doing good.
Always an adventure.
Always an adventure.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.
On a new adventure.